Just pulling up to Discount Tire. Early bird gets the one. Good review too, man, on Google. So yeah, I know that. And we come every month, man. Every month.
Well, you got a few cars, right?
Good morning, guys. Just got a rental that's about to start in like 40 minutes. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this car back. Throw some tires on the back of this joint and get it right back out. So up here at Discount Tire, just got up here early in the morning. Got here at like 7:45 before they even opened up. So yeah, about to get the car out, ready to go. Technicians are happy, so I'm happy about that. This is why I like Discount Tire, because they always get busy and get to your stuff quick. Like a lot of times I don't even set up appointments. I just pull up, get whatever job I need done quick. So got 2 rear tires and some new set of lug nuts coming in. So it's like an F1 pit stop, but way slower.
If you're running a rental fleet, having a tire account is one of the smartest moves you can make. Shops like Discount Tire give operators better pricing when you set up a business account. It's not a huge discount, but it's usually anywhere from about 5 to 10%. And also contacted Walmart corporate to see if they had any similar things, but unfortunately they don't have any type of discount for business accounts or anything like that. So not only are you saving money, but you're also adding a value proposition to your renters. So for instance, that warranty follows the car. So if your renter's in another county, another state, and they get a nail in their tire, then they can pull up to any Discount Tire in America and they'll be able to get that tire warranted, usually free of charge, no cost to you or the renter. Or for example, you have some long-term renters and they need the tires rotated. They can walk in any Discount Tire with or without an appointment and get it handled, once again, no cost to you. So it keeps your fleet safe and it also saves you time and money in the long run. So I definitely would suggest anyone who's running a fleet to make sure you get your account set up so that way you can really keep track of your cost as well as add value to your renters and your business. So I find one of the biggest challenges in running a rental car fleet is keeping cars on the road. Every hour a vehicle is down in a shop is money lost. So that's why I like to use mobile mechanics. Ideally, you want to have 2, 3, maybe even 4 mobile mechanics set up. And the reason being is that unless you have a bunch of cars, then obviously that mechanic's going to be working on other vehicles. And so if you got 2, 3 guys in rotation, then you'll never really be down. You'll be able to switch and flip-flop between your different mobile mechanics. And some guys are just not going to be able to make it out. Some like to work more than others. Some have personal issues in life and they disappear. So you always want to keep 2 or 3 mobile mechanics on deck. So that way, instead of you dropping your car off and waiting a day or 2 while it's at the shop, that mechanic, he comes to me, he knocks out the job in my lot or in the driveway, and we're good to go. So for instance, today I was able to get 2 cars knocked out, 2 brake jobs, because for us, brakes are non-negotiable and obviously safety comes first. And rentals go through pads way faster on our rental cars than they would on a personal car, just strictly because of how often they're driving the vehicle. So with the mobile mechanic, I can get both the cars serviced in a couple hours without losing any valuable rental days. The other caveat to that is if you're a rental operator, you definitely need to go and set you up an account at O'Reilly's or Pet Boys or AutoZone or whatever your favorite shop is.
Beautiful morning, people. Taking the kid to the body shop right now, so dropping it off with the homie Pablo. He always takes care of us on our cars. You got to make sure you got your good body shop.
When you're running a rental fleet, accidents are going to happen. There's no way around it. That's why it's critical to have more than one body shop in your corner. I always recommend having 2, sometimes even 3 shops that you trust. Why? Well, the first is going to be availability. If one shop is backed up, the other can get you in faster. Every day a car sits, waiting for repairs is lost revenue. Second is pricing. Different shops give different estimates, so having options means you compare costs and keep repairs within budget without sacrificing quality. Because there's going to come times where some of those shops are going to want to get aftermarket parts instead of getting OEM parts because they want to pocket a little bit more on your job. However, that can mess with the value of your vehicle sometimes, so that's something that you want to be cautious of. The third is expertise. So one shop might be great at doing framework and other heavy or labor intensive jobs, where another one might excel at paint and doing small collision jobs and small dings and bangs from, let's say, hail or door dings in parking lots or shopping carts for that matter. So having multiple relationships ensures that you have the right people on the right job at the right time, fixing your problems correctly. The key is building those relationships before you need them. That way, when an accident does happen, you've got trusted partners that are ready to get your fleet back on the road, and you're not scrambling and trying to figure out and find who do I need to go to. So,
skins, right?
Yeah.
Just put the skin. Like once you bend the
That metal that's inside that other piece.
tube,
Yeah.
the
It's a wrap.
reinforcement bar,
Gotcha.
gone.
So I'm just curious, what do guys do with salvage cars, for example? Like if a car is salvaged like this, and because I see dudes cut a lot of corners, like when I look at a car sometimes, like if it was like a rebuilt title or something, what are they just trying to get the dents out the door and they be like, F the reinforcement on the other side? Like the shady shops?
Yeah, I mean they can just kind of fix the outside and then
Let it be.
the rebar is still bent on the inside, so the next
Accident.
one is
It ain't good. I got you.
So,
Well, no, I don't need that, brother. I don't need that. So, yeah, and of course, obviously it's a gap here, big ass gap here now from the indentation, but yeah.
that's the one that we saw.
Yeah. I said I ain't worried about that though, man. I just want to get her back on the road, and so what do we just got to get a whole nother door now?
Yes. Yeah, we'll replace the door.
Okay.
And fix the rocker and this door right here.
I got you. I was telling Jaleesa to just give me 2. I need one for the insurance and one for me to fix it. But I'm gonna leave this one here with you guys, though, man.
Okay. Sounds
So,
good.
my man, what do you got? Anything in here cooking right now, man? You got something hot in there, man? Or just basic cars today?
We're working on that one. We put the 6.2.
You don't mind if I record for my podcast too, man?
Got the bed and doors.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still working on this one, huh?
Yeah.
Slowly but surely. How much you haven't done? Well, you got the last time. I think the engine was in on this one. I think.
No.
No, wasn't nothing in here last time.
I never had an engine, so.
I see you knocked out that Corvette too, huh?
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. How long did it take you to fix that Corvette?
A few weeks. I think 3 to 4 weeks. I think it's 3 weeks.
Now, how soon you think you'll have this one together?
This one we got left.
So that goes on there, right? Yeah.
Everything. Yeah. We got the doors. Yeah.
Yeah, we got the LS in this boy.